Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kymco Like 150 motor scooter. This one has ABS brakes, beautiful orange sherbet color. Can't get past that sherbet color. You're gonna love that. Only 785 miles on this gorgeous two-passenger automatic transmission, electric start motor scooter. Come on by and make your dreams come true with ABS brakes. Price to sell is just $32.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.